Salute the YoungStar.
Right, you have to hold that there as well.
Last call for water. For the next one, the time is where's it?
Oh, you're trying to suck your stomach in?
Amazing.
And the bow, and on the back.
Turn around.
Oh no! Don't get naked in public. Anyway.
And there we go. That is amazing.
Bow at the back.
And the bow at the back. With tissue, full tissue paper, I think that is amazing. We have a COVID mask going on here. We have a lovely headband. And we have loads of different things going on here. Turn around. There we go, backless with a little strap down there, and we have a one-sleeve little dress. So yeah, that's us on this side, and then our model over here. Where's our bag gone? We had a bag. I think it got stolen on the way
That's
here.
a bag.
There we go. That's our little bag here. We have rings galore, don't we? And there we go, turn around. There we go. Don't know what that's for. Show your modesty and turn around. Lovely. And there we go. That's my team there.
Okay, this is Harmony's design, and I helped out with it. It's a Met Gala outfit. So we got some flared jeans here.
Nice.
And a little crop top that kind of went down a little bit, but it's fine. And then we got a little bow as well, that's kind of fallen, but ignore that. And then Harmony made a nice bag to go with it, some earrings, a little headband, necklace too. I think it looks pretty good.
I think that is impressive for toilet paper. Amazing.
Like, yeah, the skirt, she got cuffs, bracelet cuffs, and yeah,
Earrings.
and the back, wait, turn.
Nice. I think this is amazing. Out of toilet paper. And last but not least, let's go.
It was like supposed to be a jumpsuit.
I think I can see that.
Oh yeah.
What's around the neck? Come on, you've done so much things.
And then like, you can't really see it, but there's like a hairband thing.
Amazing. I think this is amazing. Like, you guys are so inspirational. So the task, the last bit of this task is whoever has the outfits on, you're going to stand here and let's see how quick it is to rip open.
Easy.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5. Who's still got? Who has still got stuff on them? That means that it's a good outfit though because it stays.
I feel like a myself.
I just want to say that was amazing and well done, guys. So what I'm going to ask you to do now before we move on is we're going to clear the table so all of your amazing